Hello everyone, welcome to
Food for Thought. This is your friend Don Gamad. In this video, I want to teach you on how to solve this equation. Okay? Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell to receive the latest video. Okay, let's get started. So how to solve this problem? We're going to find the solution set of the equation. So let's gonna write solution and let u. So we're going to assign this for x minus 1 over x as u. Let u is equal to 4x minus 1 over x. Okay, the equation becomes 3u squared minus 4, then u times u minus 15 is equal to 0. Then we're going to factor out this. The factor of 3u is, we can write this as 3u times u. Okay, and then the 15 is 5 times negative 3. Okay, now we are going to, by factoring, okay, we are going to distribute this 3u times u. So we write 3u, this one, u is in the other bracket, so 5 and 3 plus 5, then negative 3, okay, is equal to 0. Now in this case we have two cases. Okay, so the 3u plus 5 and u minus 3. So this will be 3u plus 5 is equal to 0. And u minus 3 is equal to 0. So 3u, we transfer this, after equal sign this will become negative, and we divide this into 3. So u is equal to, cancel this, negative 5 over 3. Okay, in the other side, u is equal to, we transfer this will become 3. Okay, we replace u with 4x minus 1 over x, and to solve the x. Okay, so we are going to replace, okay, we're going to replace u with this one, 4x minus 1 over x, to solve for x. So let's write 4x minus 1 over x is equal to negative 5 over 3. So we are going to multiply the denominator 3 and x to all terms. Okay, so we make this as first equation. Then, so here we are going to multiply 3x to each term. So this will be 3x times 4x minus 3x times 1 over x is equal to 3x times negative 5 over 3. So 3 times 4 is 12x squared minus 3x times 1 is 3x over x is equal to 3x times negative 5 is negative 15x over 3. So this will be 12x squared minus, so we cancel the x, and then 15 divided by 3 is 5. This will be negative 5x. And then we're going to equate this into 0. We transfer this into the left side, 12x squared. Then we transfer it plus 5x. Then negative 3 is equal to 0. So we are going to factor out this one. So we are looking for the sum of 5x, where a is equal to, let's say, negative 4x. Then b is 9x. Okay, positive 9x. And then we are going to get the sum. So this will be positive 5x. Okay, so this is the possible term that we can use. Okay, so in here we are going to write the 12x squared, then minus 4x, and this one 9x minus 3. Okay, this one 3, and then is equal to 0. So in this case we are going to factor out again this part. So we write this as 4x times 3x. Okay, 4x times 3x is 12x squared, right? And then divide this, 4x divided by 4x is 1, plus, then this one we are going to factor 3 because there's a 3 here. So 3 divided by 3 is negative 1. And then they have in common. Each term has in common the 3x minus 1. So we take this outside of the bracket. This will be 3x minus 1. Then this divided into this is 4x plus 3. Okay? This divided into this will become 3 and is equal to 0. So this will be written as 3x minus 1 times 4x plus 3. So in this case, we have, two cases again. The 3x minus 1 and 4x. 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Then this will be 3x. We transfer this. This will become positive, and we divide this into 3. Both sides. So this will be cancelled out, and x is equal to 1/3. On the other side, 4x is equal to, transfer this, it becomes -3, and then we divided 4 both sides, and this will become cancelled out. So x will be -3/4. So recall that u is equal to 4x minus 1/x. So we're gonna write here u is equal to 3. Okay, our u is 4x minus 1/x is equal to 3. So we are going to multiply x to all the terms, both sides. Okay, so this multiply into that, and this multiply into this, and this multiply into this. Okay, so this will be x times 4x minus x times 1/x is equal to 3 times x. So x times 4x is 4x squared minus this will be cancelled. It remains 1 is equal to 3x. Now we are going to equate this into 0. So we move this to the left side. So this will be 4x squared. It's become -3x. Then -1 is equal to 0. And now the next is we are going to factor out this equation. So we have here 4x squared. So this will be 4x. We factor this, 4x times x. Okay, this part. And let's take the -1 and +1. So we get this -1 and +1. So we are now going to distribute 4x times x, 4x and x. Okay, then we take this -1 and +1. So first is the +1, next is the -1. Okay, so if we multiply this, it will return to this expression. Okay, now here we have two cases here, 4x plus 1 and x minus 1. Let's begin with 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then x minus 1 is equal to 0. And this will be 4x. So if we transfer this to the other side, this become negative. Then we divide this into 4 both sides. So we cancel the 4. X is equal to -1/4. Okay, the other side, x is equal to, we transfer this, becomes +1. Okay, so here are the solutions of, we have now all the values of x. Okay, we have x is equal to -1/4 and x is equal to 1, and also here x is equal to 1/3 and x is equal to -3/4. Therefore the solution set are, we have here -3/4 and 1/3, and we have here -1/4 and 1. So these are the solution sets. The values of x are -3/4, 1/3, -1/4, and 1. That satisfies this equation. Okay guys, if you learned and enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell so that you will not miss out my next video. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye bye.